So, hello, once again I'm here on my very old MacBook Air 2012, running of course EndeavourOS, the Arch Linux based distribution. So, as I promised the other day, I will show you how to get my theme, my icons, my cursors, and of course the font that I'm using on my system, in case that somebody else want to copy it. I've also prepared already a few things in order to do this, because I don't want to waste your time. So without any further delay, let's do it. So yeah, this is it. This is a fine website that one can grab useful, likable themes, icons, etc. for various Linux desktop environments. I'm in the Xfce part of the website at the moment. As you can see, it has all those things here and more, I guess. Anyway, I've already found my theme for you. It's here, this one. It's called Sweet New Flavor. Here are the cursors, they are called sweet cursors, and here are the icons, they are called candy icons. And last but not least, the font that I'm using, it's from the Roboto font family, and to be more specific, I'm using the Roboto Mono font across the whole of the system, the whole system. Anyway, in order to grab this one, you can click here. Or if you want, you can go here, because it has various versions and you can pick the one you want yourself. For myself, I picked this one, Sweet Dark, and I click here, and then you get the window and go. Anyway, we'll not do this now, I've already done it myself. Here are the icons. Once again, you can click here on the download button, or you can click here and grab it from here, down here. And the same thing for candy icons, basically. You can grab it from down here or from the download button. And last but not least, the Roboto font family, you can grab it from here, get font, and then you get the whole family of the fonts. Basically, what happens after you will download all these files, you will have these files inside your download folder. Now this is a bit tricky part. You can do it completely manual, or you're trying, or if you want, you can try to let the system help you, assist you, but not all themes can be installed automatically, so let's just see the manual method to make sure that all will go well, in your case as well. So after you will download these files, you have to extract them. Right click, and you can do this, extract here, or you can use your default application to do just that, to extract the files. Okay. At the moment I will not extract them, I have already placed them in my system folders. I will show you where those folders are though. So for example, for the icons and the cursors, let's create a new tab, a new, I think this, new tab. I will go here to my home folder, and then I will enable the hidden files, show hidden files, and then you go and if you don't have this folder, you create it. You create this folder, it's called .icons, and you can place the candy icons and the sweet cursors folders in here. And then you can do the same thing. Once again, home folder, the theme, you can place it here. Okay. And the font, it's after you will how do you say, after you will uncompress it, extract it if you will, maybe you can click it and install it via the GUI method, or if you will not do that, you will have to copy it on your fonts folder, inside your home folder or your system fonts folder. I think I did it system-wide, if I remember correctly, because I have installed multiple fonts, and usually you can find these on your file system, if I remember correctly, user, share, and I think somewhere here are the fonts, yes. And then you install the fonts of your choice inside the OTF or the TTF folder, depending on the type. If they are open type folder, open type true or true type font, you install it on the respective folders. I have here mine and here. Anyway, after you have done this, you can open the system settings, and then you go to the appearance and you select on the style tab the theme. I've already pre-selected mine, of course. You do the same thing in the icons for the, and then for the fonts you come here. You will type the font here. For example, you can select Roboto, Mono, or some other font that you prefer. I have this font, for example, as well. But yeah, anyway, you repeat this thing here as well, and then you are set for most of these things. The last remaining thing is the mouse. You go here on the theme and you select the sweet cursors that you downloaded and extracted. And yeah, basically this is it. And after you will do this, you will have a beautiful, nice system. And yeah, of course, everyone has their own preferences. You have plenty of options here. It says here latest, creator, rating. You can come here and find the best things for this from this website. Or here, for example, maybe you want to go on the right side here and see all of this. And if you will notice, the stuff that I have been showing you, they are here. Candy icons. Where was it the other one? Sweet cursors, and I'm sure around here it is, the theme. So yeah, not that hard to find yourself. But anyway, I think this was it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Trust me, more stuff are coming. Most probably the next time you will see me, if you're able to catch me online, I'll try to stream. One time I will do it on YouTube, and the other time I will do it on Twitch, and maybe a third time on Kick. I'm not sure, maybe I will try all three of them. But in any case, most probably the next 3 videos are going to be from the live streaming that I will be trying to do through OBS using this old MacBook Air 2012 with a built-in camera, built-in microphone, do everything without using any known open source solutions. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye! bye.